Which is the smallest natural number? 1. Which is the longest chord of a circle? Diameter. The multiplicative inverse of a number is also called its reciprocal. The square root of the variance is called standard deviation. The point where the three altitudes of a triangle intersect is called orthocenter. The positive integers that can be divided by numbers other than itself and 1 are called composite numbers. Which is the smallest whole number? 0. The middle number in a sorted list of number is called median. Which is the smallest perfect number? 6. The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. An angle that measures greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. What is the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle? 180 degree. Who is known as the father of mathematics? Archimedes. What is the formula to find the circumference of a circle with radius r? Two pi r. Which one of the below is a prime number? 2. Who is called as the father of trigonometry? Hipparchus. If divisor and dividend are the same, then what is the quotient? 1. Which one of the below is not a perfect cube? 225. What is 500 in Roman numerals? D. When is Pi Day observed every year? March 14. Which theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides? Pythagoras theorem. Which is the largest interior angle of a right-angled triangle? (90°). Which type of numbers are 0 and 1? Whole numbers. What is the value of 0 factorial? (1). How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100? 25. A triangle in which all three sides are of different lengths and all three angles are of different measures is called scalene triangle. The longest side of a right-angled triangle is called hypotenuse. Cube and cuboid have how many vertices? 8. Which number does not have a reciprocal? 0. A bar graph that shows data in intervals is called histogram. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space. A positive integer that is equal to the sum of its proper divisors is called perfect number. What is the average of first n natural numbers? n plus 1 by 2. The common logarithm is the logarithm with base dash. (10). Which is the units digit of 143.579? 3. Which type of numbers includes both rational and irrational numbers? Real numbers. A sequence of numbers in which the difference between the consecutive terms is constant is called arithmetic progression. The numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, is called prime numbers. An angle that measures less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. The number that is left after the division process is called remainder.